Hey there, welcome back to Nail Chronicle. This week I'm saving a sort of failed design. So I set out to create a rainbow road by Mario Kart, so like the little racing with all the crazy roads is what was going to be my inspiration, and it kind of failed for quite a number of different reasons. So rather than starting from scratch, given that it was quite late in the day, I decided to do a bit of a rescue. So I started out with a fairly deep purple base, and this is probably one of the first areas where I went wrong. I should have gone with a slightly lighter colour, just so that the nail stamping could show up a little bit easier. For the next step, I moved on to the nail stamping, and for this, I was going for the sort of, I didn't want a really straight checkered design. I wanted something that was a bit obscured, so I went with this design by He Plates, and it didn't quite turn out in the way I had it that it would in my head. I was hoping to sort of create something a bit crazy just to go along with the whole theme of the Rainbow Road. While it still looked cool, it wasn't quite what I was thinking. But I still applied these onto my nails, and kept going on from there. I also did try and put some nail stamping with like different gaming designs on my nails, and I don't know if it's just the color I use, and I didn't have any reverse stamping, so it looked pretty plain, and it was actually really, really hard to see. So in the end, in order to rescue the design, I ended up removing the other stamping. I kept the rainbow decal on there and just had plain purple nails. So this was a really easy way to just rescue the design. It still looked really cool, and I still really loved how it turned out, but it just wasn't quite what I had sort of set out to do, and wasn't what I was expecting that it would look like. So I got a few things that I want to definitely try next time and give this Rainbow Road nail design a go, but we'll have to wait till another week where I've got a little bit more time. Anyway, I hope this tip helped you. Let me know in the comments what you've done before to rescue a failed design, and I will see you next week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!